Hi, Emily. Good morning.
Good morning, Adam. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm a little tired, but okay.
Did you finish the math homework?
Yes, I did. It was a bit hard.
I know. Question number 5 was difficult.
I asked the teacher for help. She explained it very well.
That's good. Can I see your homework later?
Sure, no problem.
What class do we have first?
We have English class.
Oh, right. We have a quiz today.
Don't worry, it's easy.
Are you ready for it?
Yes, I studied last night. What about you?
A little. I hope I will do well.
You will. Just relax.
Thanks, Emily. Let's go to class.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, Emily. I didn't expect to see you here.
Hi, Adam. Yeah, I'm buying some snacks for tonight.
Nice. What are you getting?
Just some chips, juice, and cookies.
That sounds good. I'm looking for cereal.
The cereal is in aisle 4.
Thanks. Do you come here often?
Yes, it's close to my house.
Do you need help carrying the bags?
That's kind, but I'm okay. I only have a few things.
All right. Are you free later?
Yes, after 7 p.m. Why?
Maybe we can study together.
Sure. Let's meet at the library.
Great. See you later.
See you, Adam.
Hi, Emily. What a nice surprise.
Hey, Adam. Yes, the weather is perfect today.
Are you walking or exercising?
I'm just taking a short walk to relax.
Me too. I needed a break from studying.
Same here. Too much homework this week.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, almost every weekend. It's quiet and clean.
True. I like the trees and the lake.
I love the birds. They sound beautiful.
Do you want to walk together?
Sure, that would be nice.
How long can you stay?
Maybe 20 minutes. I have a project to finish.
No problem. Let's enjoy the walk.
Yes, let's go.
Hi, Emily. Are you waiting for the bus?
Hi, Adam. Yes, I've been waiting for 10 minutes.
Which bus are you taking?
Bus number 12. It goes to the city center.
Oh, me too. I'm going to the library.
Nice. I'm going to meet my friend for lunch.
Do you know when the bus will arrive?
I think in 5 minutes. I checked the schedule.
Great. I hope it's not full today.
Yes, yesterday it was very crowded.
Do you usually take this bus?
Yes, almost every day. It's fast and cheap.
True. Oh, look. I think the bus is coming.
Yes, I see it.
Let's get ready.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, Emily. What are you doing here? Are you okay?
Hi, Adam. Yes, I'm fine. I'm just here for a checkup.
Oh, that's good. Nothing serious, right?
No, just a normal routine check.
Great. I came to visit my cousin. He had a small accident, but he's better now.
I'm happy to hear he's okay. Hospitals can be scary sometimes.
Yes, but the doctors here are very good.
True. They are always kind and helpful.
How long have you been waiting?
About 15 minutes. My name will be called soon.
Do you have someone with you?
No, I came alone. It's a quick visit.
If you need anything, just tell me.
Thank you, Adam. That's very nice.
No problem. Oh, I think the nurse is calling you.
Yes, that's my name. I have to go now.
Good luck with your checkup.
Thanks. See you later.
Hi, Emily. Have you been waiting long?
Hi, Adam. No, just a few minutes.
This restaurant looks nice.
Yes, I love the food here.
Have you ordered yet?
Not yet. I was waiting for you.
Thanks. What do you want to eat?
I'm thinking about the chicken salad. It's really good.
I might get the pasta.
Are you hungry?
Very hungry. I didn't eat breakfast.
Oh no, you must be starving.
Yes, a little.
Do you want to share a dessert later?
Sure. That sounds great. Hello. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken salad, please.
And I'll have the pasta. Thank you.
Great. Your food will be ready soon.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too. It's nice to take a break.
Yes, we both needed it.
Exactly.
Hi, Emily. I didn't expect to see you here.
Hi, Adam. I'm traveling today.
Really? Where are you going?
I'm flying to Paris to visit my aunt.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
Yes, I'm very happy, but also a little nervous.
Is it a long flight?
About 2 hours. Not too long.
Have you checked in yet?
Yes, I checked in online. I just need to drop my bag.
Good idea. The lines look long today.
Yes, the airport is very busy.
What time is your flight?
At 3:30 p.m. I still have 1 hour.
Do you want something to drink while you wait?
Sure, maybe a juice.
Let's go to the cafe over there.
Okay, but I have to stay close to the gate.
No problem. We won't go far.
Thanks. It's nice to see you before my trip.
Same here. I hope you have a safe flight.
Thank you, Adam.
Hi, Emily. I didn't know you were here.
Hi, Adam. Yes, I came to study for the history test.
Oh, right. The test is tomorrow.
I know. I'm a little stressed.
Don't worry. You always do well.
Thanks, but there is so much to remember.
True. I'm studying the same chapter.
The one about ancient Egypt?
Yes, that one. It's interesting, but long.
I agree. The dates are hard to memorize.
Do you want to study together?
Sure, that will help a lot.
Great. Let's sit at that table over there.
Okay. It's quiet and has good light.
Do you have your notes?
Yes, I printed everything last night.
Perfect. Let's start with the first section.
Good idea. Ready?
Ready.
Let's do this.
Hi, Emily. Are you ready for class today?
Hi, Adam. Yes, I think so. What about you?
I'm ready, but I forgot my notebook.
Oh, no. Do you want to use one of my extra pages?
Really? That would help a lot.
Sure, no problem. Here you go.
Thank you. You always save me.
Ha, it's okay. Just don't forget next time.
I'll try. What are we learning today?
The teacher said we will start a new chapter on vocabulary.
Nice. I like vocabulary lessons.
Same here. They are fun and useful.
Did you do the homework from yesterday?
Yes, I finished it last night. It was easy.
Really? I hope the teacher doesn't check it today.
Don't worry. You can do it quickly during the break.
Good idea. Oh, look, the teacher is coming.
Okay, let's sit down. Class is starting.
Hi, Emily. Over here.
Hi, Adam. Wow, there are so many people today.
Yes, the stadium is almost full.
Is this an important match?
Yes, it's the final game of the season.
Oh, that explains why everyone is excited.
Did you find your seat easily?
Yes, it was right next to yours.
Perfect. Do you want a snack? I bought popcorn.
Sure, thanks. I love popcorn.
Who do you think will win?
I'm not sure, but I hope our team does.
Me too. They played really well last week.
Yes, I saw the highlights. They were amazing.
Look, the players are coming onto the field.
Wow, the crowd is cheering so loudly.
The match is about to start.
Great, let's enjoy the game.
Yes, let's go, team.
Go team.